2019 Dodge Charger V6. Some custom wheels, AM wheels. Factory converter. And that's flex pipe, if you guys don't know what that is. So it comes right after the converter. Sometimes they break. So if they ever get loud on you guys, that's what broke it, is that flex pipe. That's what made the noise. If this breaks, you always want to check your motor mounts. Anyways, then 2 1/4 pipe goes into a Y pipe. Then he had a mid muffler delete somewhere else. I don't know if we've done it or back in the past, but I think he had it done somewhere else. And then it Y's back out, as you guys can see. And then what we did is we took the 2 resonators that are in the back out and replaced them with 2 Dynomax race bullets, part number 24250s. And then he brought us some 5-inch tips with 4-inch inlet. So for it to work, we welded them right to the Dynomax bullets, as you guys can see from the inside. There they are, right there and right there. So they fit right on the 4-inch of the Dynomax bullets. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And here's the 2 resonators that were on it. There and there. That's the ones we just took off. All right? I'll let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. That sounds good. It's deep. Sound decibels. 113, guys. That's awesome. That sounds deep. I like it. Not bad at all. Hear sound decibels? Again? Right at 98. That's perfect. Nothing crazy, just clean. Oh yeah, that's deep. Again? It's with vibrance in the rear. Hear sound decibels? Again? Right at 100, so it's perfect. Sounds good now, it's deep. Dodge Charger V6. Wow, it's got a nice bite to it now. I like it. Yeah, that's clean, man. That's really good. Another Challenger's happy. Another satisfied customer. On V6s and 4-cylinders, you always want to put something on it, just to deepen it, you know? You guys agree? 4-cylinders and V6s, we always need to put a muffler on it, some sort of muffler or resonator. Let me know in the comments, guys. I like that sound, it's clean. What do you guys think of the sound? Very nice. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. guys. I like it. Enjoy, guys. That sounds good. That sounds perfect. Enjoy, guys. Hope you like it.